Hello, this is WeaponCollector. This is a review of a very old gun, Webley and Scott Mark 1 air pistol. Don't know actually how old this is, but it could potentially be 40 years old or older. They started making these in 1939, so I don't think it's alright, it's got a number on it. 919, which that could be quite a low number, really. You know, I don't know how many they made. If they made 10,000, this is a very low number. It's 2.2. I'm not sure if the rifle's barreled or not. The rifle's barreled. I don't know if the barrel is rifled. Can't see. Hang on. Barrel is rifled. Let's see if we can see the markings on it. For Webley Mark 1. There's the Webley thing handle. See that? Webley Mark 1. Should say. I see there. .22. I've had to replace some parts. This bolt came out. This bar here completely broke, so I had to replace that, and it needs a new I can't remember what you call it, seal. It needs a new seal in there, but it would still fire. There's your cock. You pull it up, it's hard to pull up and it just goes down easy. It's got no safety. Open sights. Yeah, very old gun. Used to be my dad's, but it's mine now. Well, it is still is, but I look after it. I have it. I cleaned it up and I fixed it. You know, so it's basically mine. So if you know anything about these or know anyone, get them to leave a comment. There's some writing here. It says Webley and Scott. Webley and Scott Limited, Birmingham. Webley patents, it says there. It's hard to see. Yeah, very old gun. Don't actually know how old this one is though. It still fires, but like I said, without the new seal, it's very weak. No safety catch. But there it is, Webley Mark 1. It's definitely at least 30 years old, I know that. But I'm 28. It's older than me, it's got to be older than me. So it could be 35, 40 years old. You know, potentially 70. It's nearly 70 anyway, I think. Let's see if we can see down the barrel. I managed to get the other one to, yeah, you can't really see, it's not as clean as the other one, so it's hard to see. Yeah, Webley Mark 1. That's an oiling hole, I think, to oil it. Did used to have a little bolt in there. That's probably to adjust the trigger, make it more sensitive. I wish they'd make more guns like this though. Solid, little. They do more modern ones of this, but they're bigger. But they couldn't make one this small, but legal limit. This wouldn't have been legal limit ever, but that would be good because it's a lovely little gun. Yeah, I'll do Mark 1. Or Webley and Scott Mark 1, I should say.